friends, I'm back with another story from this book, Disney Princess Carry Along Treasury. And the story that I'm going to read out today is titled Pocahontas' Day of Mischief. And you can see Pocahontas here. Right, so let's see what's there in the story. On Pocahontas' way to the fields, a young girl named Alava stopped her and said, "A crow took my favorite necklace. Can you help me get it back?" Before Pocahontas could think of a plan, another villager ran up to Pocahontas and told her that an animal was eating all their corn. "I'm sorry, Alava. I have to figure out who is stealing the food, and then I'll be back to help you get your necklace. I promise." So, how do you think Pocahontas is going to help Alava and the villager? Let's find out. Together, Pocahontas and her hummingbird friend Flit followed the trail of corn. They went over logs and under fallen trees. Eventually, they happened upon a raccoon's den. Can you see? This is raccoon and this is his den. Right. "I promise I'm not angry you took our food," she told the raccoon. How sweet, right? She's not angry and she's talking to the raccoon very gently. "I know that you were just hungry. I think I'll call you Miko. It means little mischief." As she handed him some more corn to eat, she had an idea of how Miko could help her too. See, this is Pocahontas offering more corn to the raccoon here. Right, she's being very kind. And now that she got an idea how Miko could help her, let's see. What's that idea? They walked together until they reached the bottom of the tree with the crow's nest and the stolen necklace. Miko quickly ran up the tree and found it. But as Miko began to make his way down to the ground, Pocahontas heard the cry of an angry crow. Can you see? The crow here is very angry. And Miko with the necklace? Right, and Pocahontas is crying. Okay? "Hurry!" Pocahontas called to him. Miko ran faster down the tree and leaped right into Pocahontas' arms before the crow could catch him. "You did it, Miko. Thank you," she said. Together, the new friends went into the village to find Alava. See, you can see here the raccoon in Pocahontas' arms, and now they are going to Alava. Can you see? This is Alava, the little girl, okay, who lost her necklace, right? "Did you get my necklace, Pocahontas?" Alava asked. "I had some help from my new friend Miko, actually," Pocahontas said. "Oh, thank you so much, Miko," she said as she gave him a hug. See how they helped each other, right? So, I hope you will also help someone whenever you are in a position to help someone, right? So, thank you so much, and I'll be back with another story soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.